हेलो एवरीवन, मैं डॉक्टर बबली आप सभी का इंडियन एग्रीकोर्स चैनल में स्वागत करती हूं। आप सभी ने सुना ही होगा कि एसडीओ और एडीओ की पोस्ट एग्रीकल्चर के बच्चों के लिए निकली हुई हैं, तो उसकी तैयारी में सभी बच्चे जुट जाएं क्योंकि ये बहुत सालों के बाद सुनहरा मौका मिला है। तो हम आपके लिए मल्टीपल चॉइस टाइप क्वेश्चन जो एग्रीकल्चर के हैं, सभी जो स्ट्रीम्स हैं जैसे एंटोमोलॉजी, प्लांट ब्रीडिंग, एग्रोनॉमी, सोयल साइंस, एग्रीकल्चरल इकोनॉमिक्स, इन सभी के मल्टीपल चॉइस टाइप क्वेश्चन डेली बेस पे आपको प्रोवाइड करेंगे। तो प्लीज वीडियो को एंड तक देखें। अगर वीडियो आपको पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक करें। अगर किसी ने चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें। स्टार्ट करते हैं। In principle of increasing risk, the non-equity capital used will be option A at decreasing rate, option B at increasing rate, option C at constant rate, option D none of these. The right answer is B at increasing rate. The best measure to find worthiness of investment. Option A benefit cost ratio. Option B NPV. Option C payback period. And option D IRR. The right answer is D IRR. Principle of substitution is used in option A product minimum, option B selection of enterprise, option C selection of practice, option D all of these. The right answer is product minimum. Least cost principle is used in option A when to produce, option B how much to produce, option C how to produce, and option D what to produce. The right answer is C how to produce. Demand for agricultural products is relatively option A more elastic, option B less elastic, option C more inelastic, option D less inelastic. The right answer is C more inelastic. When total product remains constant, the marginal product will be option A positive, option B negative, option C 0, and option D constant. The right answer is 0. When AP means average product is less than marginal product, then average product is option A at maximum, option B increasing, option C decreasing, and option D remain constant. The right answer is B increasing. A production function with unitary elasticity indicates option A increasing returns, option B decreasing returns, option C constant returns. The right answer is C constant returns. In the rational region of production function, choice of indicator is option A product price ratio, option B factor product price, option C factor product quantity, and option D factor price ratio. The right answer is B factor product price. Next question is pectin is measured by option A thermometer, option B refractometer, option C zellimeter, and option D all of the above. The right answer is zellimeter. Pusa Meghali is an improved variety of option A carrot, option B wheat, option C beetroot, option D tomato. The right answer is A carrot. Gum swelling is due to option A presence of acid, option B presence of sulfur, option C Clostridium botulinum, option D none of these. The right answer is C Clostridium. Parbhani Kranti is a popular variety of option A pea, option B okra, option C onion, option D chili. The right answer is okra. Pungency in chili is due to presence of Option A, sulfur. Option B, magnesium. Option C, amides. And option D, capsaicin. The right answer is D, capsaicin. Which of the following fruit contains the highest amount of ascorbic acid? The right answer is amla. A. The stem above the ground in banana is known as option A, sucker, option B, pseudostem, option C, rhizome, and option D, none of these. The right answer is B, pseudostem. Browning in cauliflower is due to the deficiency or excess of which nutrient? Option A, boron, option B, nitrogen, option C, phosphorus, and option D, molybdenum. The right answer is boron. Richest source of vitamin A is option A, ripe tomato fruit, option B, carrot root, option C, ripe mango fruit, and option D, ripe papaya fruit. The right answer is C, ripe mango fruit. Which of the following is used to stop sprouting of onion under storage condition? Option A, naphthalene acetic acid, option B, MH malic hydrazide, and option C, gibberellic acid, and option C, D, PCPA. The right answer is B, MH. The plant growth hormone which helps in enlarging the grapefruit is option A, abscisic acid, option B, cytokinin, option C, ethylene, option D, gibberellic acid. The right answer is D, gibberellic acid. Quinoa is basically known as option A, tangerine, option B, tangor, option C, citron, and option D, mandarin. The right answer is D, mandarin. Redness in apple is due to option A, anthocyanin, option B, xanthophyll, option C, lycopene, option D, carotene. The right answer is anthocyanin. Best method of vegetative propagation in Onla is due to option A, patch budding, option B, veneer grafting, and option C, chip budding, option D, air layering. The right answer is A, patch budding. National Seed Corporation was set up in India during option A 1953, option B 1963, option C 1966, option D 1973. The right answer is B 1963. Per capita energy required for men is equal to option A 2000 kilocalorie, option B 2200 kilocalorie, option C 2300 kilocalorie, option D 2400 kilocalorie. The right answer is B 2200 kilocalorie. The word agriculture is derived from the language option A French, option B Greek, option C lentil and Latin, and option D English. The right answer is C Latin language. Agriculture, which includes option A crop production and livestock farming, option B fisheries, option C forestry, and option D all of the above. The right answer is D all of the above. It is a branch of agricultural science which deals with principles and practices of soil, crop, and water management. Option A agricultural meteorology, option B agroforestry, option C agronomy, option D none of these. The right answer is C agronomy. Environment of a crop constitutes option A aerial environment, option B soil, option C both A and B, and option D none of these. The right answer is C both A and B. Aerial environment option A cannot be changed easily, option B can be changed easily, option C can be changed partially, option D all of these. The right answer is A cannot be changed easily. Order of domestication of animal is option A sheep, goat, dog, option B goat, sheep and dog, option C dog, goat and sheep, and option D dog, sheep and goat. The right answer is D dog, sheep and goat. First cultivated sorry First cultivated crops in the world are option A wheat and rice, option B wheat and oat, option C wheat and barley, option D wheat and maize. The right answer is C wheat and barley. Earliest rice cultivation was noticed in option A Deccan Plateau, option B Indus Valley, option C Indo-Gangetic Plains and option D none of these. The right answer is A Deccan Plateau. Theory of humus was explained during option A 1809, option B 1919, option C 1819 and option D 1909. The right answer is A 1809. Department of Agriculture in the world was first established during option A 1872, option B 1853, option C 1892 and option D 1862. The right answer is D 1862. India in India, Agriculture Department was established during option A 1861, option B 1971, option C 1891 and option D 1871. The right answer is 1871. Department of Agriculture in India was established. Option uh, by option A Lord Ripon and option B Lord Curzon, option C Lord Cornwallis and option D Lord Mayo. The right answer is D Lord Mayo. Separate Central Agriculture Department was started in option A 1907, option B 1991 and option C 1881 and option D 1971. The right answer is C 1881. First synthetic fertilizer industry was established by option A Liebig and option B Lars, option C Gilbert, option D none of these. The right answer is B Lars. Iron shear was invented by option A Robert Black, option B Robert Ransom and option C Robert Hooke and option D none of these. The right answer is B Robert Ransom. Round revolution is related to option A poultry, option B egg, option C onion and option D potato. The right answer is D potato. Nitrification bacteria was isolated by option A Warrington, option B Beijering, option C Vinogradski, option D none of these. The right answer is C Vinogradski. In case of diminishing rate of substitution, the curve will be option A convex to origin, option B concave to origin, option C straight line, option D vertical or horizontal. The right answer is A convex to origin. Optimum choices of enterprises or combination of enterprises is made based on option A principle of least cost, option B principle of variable proportions, option C principle of cost and option D principle of opportunity cost. The right answer is D principle of opportunity cost. In maximizing returns interaction, the outgoing column will be located with the help of option A highest positive value, option B highest negative value, option C lowest negative value and option D lowest positive value. The right answer is B highest negative value. List of all the physical property of a business along with their values at a specified date is known as option A farm financial account, option B farm income record, option C farm business analysis and option D farm inventory records. The right answer is D farm inventory records. Which method is employed for calculating depreciation of tractors and livestock? Option A, annual revaluation and reducing fraction. Option B, straight line and annual revaluation. And option C, diminishing balance and straight line. And option D, diminishing balance and reducing fraction. The right answer is B. DMI, Directorate of Marketing and Inspection, headquarters located at option A, Delhi, option B, Faridabad, option C, Hisar, and option D, none of these. The right answer is B, Faridabad. World Standard Day is celebrated on option A 14th Feb, option B 14th January, and option C 14th November, and option D 14th October. The right answer is D 14th October. The last question is property that is plugged to secure a loan is known as option A mortgage, option B collateral security, option C personal security, and option D chattel loan. The right answer is B collateral security. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you so much.